God said, listen, I am going to give every single person in the entire world, I'm going to give them a gift. Some of them I'm going to give 2 gifts, and others I'm going to give 5 gifts. But I'm only giving based on their ability. So the good news is this, Kristen, God gave you a gift based on your capacity to maneuver, to manage, and to multiply it. He knew exactly what you could handle.
Mm-hmm.
He knew exactly, what you can handle in your life space. He knew the children. He knew the type of lifestyle that you have. And he said, listen, I know she can handle this, so I'm going to give her this gift, and I trust her with it.
Mm-hmm.
And so I want us all to see that God trusts us with this precious gift. And it is our responsibility not to be like the wicked servant who hid his gift, but to be like those servants who said, man, I'm going to do what I have to do